Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A92s and I will show you how you can insert SIM card to this smartphone. So at the first you have to grab your SIM injector, rotate your phone on this side, you have to find SIM tray in this place, then put injector here, then press it, take it off just like that. As you can see here we got our SIM tray. We have to grab SIM card, and in this smartphone we have nano-SIM card, and you have to put it like that. As you can see, we can also input here the second card in the same position, just like that. And unfortunately we are not able to put here micro SD card. We can only put two SIM card, but we cannot put here micro SD card. I'm going to input one SIM card, so put it like that, and then insert this tray here, press with your finger, and take a look. Right now we have to enter pin for our SIM card, so let's make it, then click here on the arrow, and as you can see right now we successfully input SIM card to our OPPO A92s. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.